How to see all games you played on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To see all the games you played on Roblox, just tap open your Roblox application or visit roblox.com in a website. Once you are in here, make sure to log in into your Roblox account. To check for all the games you played on Roblox, it is pretty simple. At the top, you will see some of the games that indicates the game that you played recently. And yes, in there you will find all of the games you have been playing on your Roblox. However, it will not disclose the hours that you played for the game, but it will surely show you all the games you have played recently. On the basis of it, you will also find some of the recommended games for you. You can select on the same particular game to play or just tap on the recommended one which is as similar as to your preference because it is there for you based on the algorithm. By this way, you'll be able to check out all the games you played on Roblox. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.